Hello everybody, this is Smite. I made this video to prove that you don't need everything to live your dream, you know? Right there, that's me. Barely 17, I scraped enough money to buy this bike, and the bike barely ran when I first got it. That's why I had to rev it up so high. But I did it, you know? I wasn't a professional the moment I got on the bike. Could barely even start it. Didn't know anything about dirt bikes, but I had one. That was my pride and joy. The point of this is I faced so much hate and so much drama over me and how I handled the bike, and you know, it's not about everybody else. Everybody has this beginning of how they started. Nobody's a professional. And if you're going to let people on YouTube boss you around and stop you from sharing your life, don't do it. Don't worry about it. Because in the end, it's all about you anyhow. Because it always gets better. You never stay the same. You always improve. Just practice. And you'll learn how to do it. So I just made this video to show you guys you don't need the best. You don't need hardly anything. You just need to get out there and ride. Live your dream. No one else is going to live it for you. So get out there. Make mistakes. Just be careful. It's dangerous. It really is. But it's a lifestyle. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to fall down. But you'll learn. And you'll get better.
I know, but when you go to pull out, make sure the whole road is clear. He was coming right down over the road and you went right out. Get it started. Just without the gas.
Think you can make it up that then?
So I just want to thank everybody. Having one video over 1 million views, having 3 million total channel views, and over 7,600 subscribers, I'm making it along great, and I can't do it without you guys. So thank you for each and every one of you for subscribing, and always look to my channel for new videos. I'm always pushing. Have a nice day. God bless.